Are you energetic? Do you have common sense? Do you enjoy working with children and families? Are you a motivator? Are you optimistic? Do you have an entrepreneurial spirit and that desire to simply own your own business? If so, you may just be on the right track with one of the most exciting new franchise opportunities available in the market today with FunRun for Kids. In the face of a struggling economy and uncertainties regarding job stability and security, many are looking for good, reliable franchise opportunities. We believe that FunRun for Kids offers a recession-resistant opportunity because as we continue to make cuts in our own lives as parents, the one thing we are reluctant to cut are those activities involving our children. Not only is FunRun an attractive franchise opportunity given the economy, but even more important is the satisfaction of knowing that you are providing our children with a fun facility that is awesome for birthday parties and excellent for providing them with fun and healthy exercise. Browse our site here, and if you think owning a FunRun is a good fit for your personal and professional goals, enter your contact information to the right.